Previously, I created a market basket for my tripod bike. It's a bigger one. Now I'm going to do a smaller basket, a smaller market basket. First thing, we need the material. This is the material, a smaller basket. You can buy this online. I will put the link below. And then we need the bolts and nuts, stainless steel. And then we need the aluminum. Then the size is 12 by 12 mm by I think 1 mm thickness. You can buy bigger if you want to buy 15 by 15 by 1 mm, or 1.5 will be much better, will be much stronger. Then we need the front bracket adapter, and then actually this is the 12 by 12 aluminum, and then I just cut into 135 mm, which is the size that I needed. Okay, now let's go on the tools. Okay, first we need the measuring tape, and then pencil just for marking, and then this is the pile. What is this for? Because these are sharp, I need to make this one rounded so it won't hurt anybody. And then we need the center punch. This is to punch the marking or the beginning point of the drilling so it won't slip. And then we need this drill bit. I have two bolt sizes, so I have two types of drill bits. Also I have two sizes, for M5 and for M6. And then why I have four? I have four because I have four plastic. This can be used for plastic, wood, and then this one, these two for aluminum or metal. Can be used for plastic also, but this will be easier for plastic because you have the sharp point here. You can easily get the center. And then of course the drywall drill or power drill, battery powered. Then I have multiple sizes, so I have different sizes also. And then here you can use two of this one or combination. You can use the socket wrench, then, or you can use this one, the multi-tool with Allen key that matches the X there. Then that's all. Then actually I have a cute material here. This is small one, but this is ratchet. So this one is just the same purpose. Bracket, socket, or wrench, it's the same thing. You can use that one, no problem with that. So first thing I need to do, I have to make this thing rounded, so I have to do piling. In order to keep my place clean, I need to get a piece of paper to catch the small particles of aluminum. So first we need to unsharp this one. Okay, now we are done with filing the edges, so now it's not sharp anymore. Let's fix this one a bit. Okay, now we have to align. Then after aligning, we have to punch the center mark. So now this is aligned. I just align into the edge of this cutting board, then mark the center. Okay, now we're going to drill. Set the drilling to drill this one, and then set this one to maximum. Okay, I'm going to use the biggest one below, M6 below and M5 on top. So I will use for this maybe here. Okay. Now M5. Okay, now first thing we need to do is to put the lower bolt first. Let's put this way. Okay. And then after putting this one, we will drill a hole here. Okay, now we're done. Now we're going to mark another hole here. Okay, let's put this all aside. Okay, now we have to align. If you want the same level, you can put here, or if you want higher a bit, you can put one piece here, so it can be higher. This side is okay. We can put the hole here and a hole here. Okay, now we're going to drill on the plastic. We have to change the drill bit. So I need the smaller one. Yeah, this one. Settings, drill 20. Okay. So now it's already flat. Then we have to position. Yeah. Okay, I think I better bolt first. Okay, now we can easily drill. We'll use the metal one because we already have the guide. Then put the bolt. Okay, it's almost done. Okay. Last two screws.